Hello everybody, today I will be taking a closer look at the brand new for 2022 Mini Racers 3-pack featuring Soapy Mater. In this packaging we get Union Jack Ramone, World Grand Prix Lightning McQueen and Soapy Mater, which is the new mini for, of course, this packaging and case. Before I show you the back of the packaging, don't forget to subscribe to the CarsDiecastReviewer channel. You don't want to miss out on, of course, daily Disney Pixar Cars Diecast reviews, minis, planes, etc. All of that stuff from your favourite franchise. Anything you want to suggest, comment down below which characters you'd like to see me reviewing on the channel. So don't forget to subscribe on the road to 4K subscribers. On the back of the packaging, we can see, of course, a bunch of other Mini Racer 3 packages, such as the glow-in-the-dark Mater, Dirt Track Lightning McQueen, Clutch Aid Racing Tractor, and Miss Fritter 3 packs. I don't own any of those ones yet. This is the only one that I do currently own from the 2022 Minis series. And we can see some other stuff on the packaging as well. Well, now I guess it's time to take this out of the packaging. Here we can see these 3 amazing Mini Racers all out of packaging. They are basically 1:55 scale die cast made by Mattel with no paper stickers, but they are way much smaller. Here is the World Grand Prix Lightning McQueen, who was released before by Mattel, which I will compare him to his previous release in just a few seconds here. It looks pretty cool if you ask me. And of course the Union Jack Ramone is a brand new release, and of course his actual diecast variation hasn't been released since the 2011 London Rescue packaging. The license plate reads low and slow and has the Union Jack colours all around. And the Soapy Mater is actually a Comic Con version. The 1:55 scale diecast version is. This is of course a regular release for the main line of minis, which I am really glad that it does give collectors a chance to collect the very exclusive of the Comic Con Mater. Here we can see the differences between the original World Grand Prix Lightning McQueen Mini Racer. They are pretty much the same, the only difference will mainly be the base. And here is the 1:55 scale diecast of the World Grand Prix Lightning McQueen compared to its Mini Racer scale. And the exact same for the 1:55 scale diecast Ramone compared to the Mini Racer scale. Basically a 5 times smaller club if you ask me. Here is a bunch of Mini Racer Maters that Mattel have released since the mini line started in 2017. I don't even own all of the Maters, but these are just some of my favourites. Comment down below which is your favourite Mater. And here are all the Mini Racer Maters compared to the Soapy Mater. Well, I hope everybody did enjoy today's Mini Racers unboxing. Which one of these 3 is your favourite? Is it World Grand Prix Lightning McQueen? Is it Union Jack Ramone, or is it even the brand new Soapy Mater? Don't forget to subscribe to the CarsDiecastReviewer channel. You don't want to miss out on any other videos, and make sure you check out my previous video on Joey Dundee. It depends if that video actually is out by the time, of course, this video is. You don't want to miss out that video, and of course make sure you subscribe to the CarsDiecastReviewer channel. Until the very next video, which should be on the Piston Cup Evolution on Terry Car Gas. I might review some more cars between then, it just depends. Peace guys.